Hello everyone, welcome to another video, a new video, a new idea, and I want to give you a news, a big news in YouTube. This channel, as you can see, it's accepted in a program partner YouTube. And if you want to buy this channel, it's for selling. This channel is for selling. Just contact me in email or in number you can see in description. And in anyone wants to monetize his channel, I will get 1k 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour watch time YouTube. All this, it's cheapest price. You can contact me in this number in WhatsApp, and welcome to big news in YouTube. It's update or YouTube. You can know earning in YouTube Shorts in February 2023. All this YouTube send a message for all creator. Look at this. It's in French. La monétisation des shorts débute du 11 février. Les nouvelles conditions du programme pourront être acceptées dès mi-janvier pour activer cette option et d'autres nouveautés. YouTube tell condition of program YouTube partnership. It's change. We have change in contracts with creator, and you must accept this contract, this new contract with YouTube. And shorts, you can earn money from shorts at February next year, 2023. This a big news because shorts, YouTube shorts or video shorts, it's must be viral. It's a great idea for YouTube to challenge TikTok and another platform like Real, Instagram, and Facebook. YouTube, it's make challenge with another platform and make to his creator earning money from shorts. If you want, this is the news for the new update from YouTube. And if you like this video, make like and support this channel. If you want buying this channel, contact me in WhatsApp. And if you want get 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time YouTube, just contact us in organic. It's organic. Contact us in WhatsApp and a number of description. And thank you for watching.